Hiketron's advanced fragrance technology offers a long-lasting scent experience, eliminating the need for additional products like scent boosters, fabric softeners, or dryer sheets. Each fragrance is thoughtfully crafted to provide a balance of freshness, sophistication, and masculinity, catering to diverse preferences. This innovation ensures your laundry remains fresh and inviting, day after day. Hiketron's formulations use layered fragrance technology, designed to unfold in stages for a multi-dimensional olfactory experience. This approach integrates top, middle, and base notes, ensuring the scent evolves throughout the day. This dynamic structure not only enhances the sensory experience, but also ensures the fragrance remains captivating over time, providing a premium alternative to traditional laundry solutions. The top notes provide an initial burst of freshness, such as citrus or herbal scents, creating an invigorating first impression. As these fade, the heart of the fragrance emerges with floral, spice, or woodsy tones, adding complexity and depth. Finally, long-lasting base notes like musk, amber, or vanilla anchor the fragrance. By integrating this technology, Hiketron offers a truly elevated laundry experience that combines performance, convenience, and luxury. Enjoy a scent journey that unfolds throughout the day, leaving your fabrics with a comforting and enduring finish. Experience the future of laundry with Hiketron's innovative fragrance.